I'm here with Romain Jackson from the ECM team. Romain, IPO market in the US haven't been doing fantastically so far this year, but now we're seeing signs that that's about to change in September.
Yeah, the US IPO market's been fairly pallid so far this year. If we look at the Dealogic numbers, we can see there's been 63 transactions for $12.9 billion. If there isn't an uplift in the second half of the year, that will be the worst year since the financial crisis. Today, Labor Day, we expect to see the market open, and we expect a roughly 6-week window until maybe the middle of October. We know we're in the run-up to the US elections, and there could be a return of volatility to the market, which would close any window that's currently open.
And did we hear rumors that there are quite a lot of companies who have filed confidentially with the SEC already, but what are the filings that has now come to light already?
Yeah, a lot of companies have filed over the last few weeks. We do know Brexit pushed a lot of those companies to the sideline. However, if you look at the macroeconomic conditions, with the US stock market booming, Janet Yellen being fairly bullish about the state of the economy last week, we do know that those are conducive factors for listing, and a lot of corporates will be looking at this as a huge opportunity. So if we look at the US, a company like Valvoline, we expect to see them list at some point this quarter for roughly $750 million. And even in Asia, if we look at China Postal Savings Bank, that could be a $10 billion transaction, despite the fact that it will be underwritten by nearly 70 or 80% cornerstone investors.
Okay. And we also heard last week that we had Liz Myers from JP Morgan saying JP is looking to come to market with around 20 IPOs in the next month or so. Is that replicated across the street? What do we hear?
Yeah, looking at the Dealogic numbers, if we look at aftermarket performance, it's up 25%. So IPOs have been doing well in the aftermarket. Twilio, which is a unicorn which came out a few months ago, they're up nearly 300%. So we do know IPOs can go well, there can be a pop on the first day, and there can be significant uplift in aftermarket performance. So speaking to other clients on the street, that sentiment is being shared fairly widely.
Okay, thank you very much.